Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix chat is restricted in your region on Roblox. So the first thing what you need to do here, you need to look on search and look for region. Then on formats here, make sure it's English United States and apply the changes. Then you need to go to date and time settings. And here you need to also change a few settings. So the first one is you just need to go to language and region. And then here, make sure country or region is United States and regional format is English United States as well. Then go back to time and language and date and time. And then you should see change the date and time format. Make sure calendar is Gregorian calendar here. And this should fix your problem. If this do not fix your problem, use VPN, select United States, and it will work for you. You'll not be restricted from the chat on Roblox. So that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like.